welcome everyone. How you guys doing? I hope good. I hope everyone is safe, and happy new month to everybody out there. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily do your smoothie at home, how you can make your juice without going to buy fresh juice. Come with me, guys. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using. We're going to be using apple. We're going to be using one banana. We are going to be using pear. We're going to be using one pear, and we're going to be using strawberry yogurt because I don't have strawberry, so I'm going to add a yogurt and coconut yogurt to it. It make it taste more, guys, believe me. So now we're going to peel our pear, our banana, and apple. Everything is peeled, is clean already. We have it in the plates. We have everything there in the plates, peeled and clean. So we're just going ahead now to open our coconut yogurt and turn it inside the blender. So we just turn our coconut yogurt inside the blender, and we're going to turn our strawberry yogurt also inside the blender. So you can see that, guys, we have turned the two inside the blender. Now we'll cut our fruit also inside the blender, and then we're adding lemon juice. We're adding a little lemon juice, just a little part of lemon juice. We are adding the juice, just the juice alone. You just squeeze the juice inside, and then you cover it. You cover your blender. After squeezing the juice of the lemon inside, you now covered your blender. So you cover your blender after squeezing the lemon juice inside. You cover your blender and plug your blender. Just start blending. Start blending until it gets smooth. So guys, we just finished blending. We finished blending our smoothie juice. Now we're just going to turn it inside the glass cup. I'm just turning it inside my glass cup. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to taste it. You can see that it's lovely. It's really lovely, guys. That is our juice. That is our smoothie. That is our juice. That is our smoothie juice. You can see how lovely it is. How beautiful inside the cup. To have a taste of my smoothie juice. Wow, this is lovely. I love this juice anytime I make it. Anytime. I love it. It's really nice, and it tastes good. It tastes very good. It tastes very good, guys. This juice tastes very good. I bet you guys, it tastes very, very good. Very good. Very good. It's nice. So guys, this is the end of our video. If you like my video, if you love this video, if it's interesting, please leave your comment below. like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't just come and view and go. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, share my video with your friends, with your family. Please, 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 please show me love, 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 show me love. The way I love you guys, I love you guys so much. So please show me the same love. Show me the same love. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. And one more thing, I bet you guys should go and try this, because this is nice and it's very lovely. It is very lovely. It is very healthy. Nothing like the juice you make in your house. Is better than those one you buy out there, because those one you buy out there, they have a lot of sugars. It is mixed already, but this one is fresh. You create it yourself, you make it yourself. So there is nothing like this fresh one. So guys, give a try to this, and then I'm waiting for feedback. If it is of help to you, please leave your comments, subscribe to my channel, like, show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love, and share my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.